Hey, Rutik here, and today is our 13th day of finding job series. Days are going, but let's see, one day we can get a job. So, let me tell you what happened today. Today I got one call, one screening call type call happens today, but they want Node.js developer, and I don't have that much proficiency in it. They wanted around 2 to 3 year experience person, so they told me they are not going forward with my profile, but that's okay. Let's get started. So yeah, as usual, I wake up at 7, I did exercise, I get ready, and sat on my desk and started learning. So our section 1 is fundamental and concept. So let me tell you what I learned today. I learn about use context. So the question was, why use context are never replace the Redux or Zustan? So let me tell you first what is use context. So basically use context is a React hook which we use for the avoid prop drilling. I tell you in previous video what is prop drilling. Means we pass the state or props from one functional component to another functional component and when there is this chain is going on, means this functional component to this functional component, that drilling is known as a prop drilling. And for avoiding that, the use context hooks come in a picture. So let me tell you what is it. So in use context we create one context, and there we store our all state, okay, like a global container, and from there we can able to access our states anywhere in our project. So it is very good for means small project or small scale project or like a web application for that. But when project is big, so at that time use context are not very useful. So our question is, why use context not replace the Redux and Zustan? So let me tell you what is Redux. Redux is also same, which is store the variable at a global level, and we can accessible throughout our app. But let me tell you the demerits of use context. So what happened now, in use context, let's think I have three states, okay. One is name, the username, another one is a theme color, and another one is a cart. So if anything is added on cart or cart get changed, then the functional component which using cart, that only get re-render, right? But not that not happen here. What happen when that cart get changed, the name and the, what is it again, theme, that function, the functional component that using that state which also get re-render, and that's why use context causing unwanted re-renders, and it is not a good practice. So we are not using means basically in large application we are not using the use context. Use context, we basically say that use context is a hook where we can transport our state from one component to another component, and Redux is a hook, we can say here we can manage our state. So it is a state management library. And let me tell you Zustan. What is Zustan? So Zustan is also similar to the Redux, but it is used for the lightweight application. So yeah, that's it. That was the concept I learned today. And after that I moved to the linked list part. So we solve the linked list problem today. Linked list is very, I think I learned another approaches. One I recently tell you that fast and slow approaches. Using that approach, we can able to solve lots of problem. And I means today I solve the problems around the removing the nodes. Here we use the Sentinel node. So that type of problem I solve. I tried some problems. I get idea, but execution I not the. I think what happened, yeah, while execution I got some errors. There are some little mistake, but yeah, while doing that I feel little confident, like that dopamine that I'm able to do it. And I think when I think you solve one question by yourself daily, as well as you saw the solution where how another person is approaches that also I think which is good type of learning. If you doing nothing, then you have to do this. It's not take lots of time. I think for solving the question hardly take 15 to 30 minutes, and for seeing the question take 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you have to give 15 minutes to analyzing it, then how we done, what will the approach, how data flow. When you do that na, I think we get our fundamentals of problem solving skills more strong. Yeah, that's it. After that, let me tell you what I learned. So yeah, the two major part of the day are complete. 2 hours for fundamentals, 2 hours for DSA. After that, our lunch break for 2 hours. I complete the lunch, and after that, I move to the project part. So I am. Yesterday I told you that I am working on the landing page. After that, I tried something today. Let me share with you. So I install the Claude Code today. Okay, so I take their free trial of 7 days. I know about the Claude Code, how it's work, but I think I think that let's start for our project. Let's use the Claude Code. While using Claude Code, my work of around 1 week, it's done in 2 hours. So it's when we using the Cloud Code, it's helping us to grow very fast. Means potential are uh, too much potential in it, and there are endless possibilities. We can able to do anything we want. Our speed, our growth, I think it's increases around 10x. So we have to blend in with AI models which are coming. We have to good knowledge of that how they working, because we don't want to be get behind. And let me tell you, the one fear while doing that, there is a one fear in my mind, that Cloud Code is doing better than me. Then what is, means what need of me? Why the company hire me? But let me tell you, it's not the case, because if if I'm a fresher which are using the Cloud Code, the efficiency is around I think 5x or 2x or 3x, let's say. But when I have the 1 to 2 year experience, then I can use it around 10x to 15x. And when I have the 5 to 6 year experience, then I am able to use around 50x. Means your experiences matter, because you when you know the thing, when you know how you articulate thing to the cloud or what you want, what however your how your website maybe look, you know the basic. I think you have to know the basic, you have to know the fundamentals. The core concept are always live there, so we have to study about the core concept. We know the how data flow, how things are working, because I know that syntax may be changed, language may be changed, but the logic behind it always remains same. The logic never change. So we have to work on our skills. Means that section, logic building, problem solving, that part is very necessary. So yeah, and after that we move to the communication session. Chat GPT is very good tutor, I think. I'm not able to see any growth in myself in my communication, but ChatGPT told me that you had means a small growth and like that, but I'm not sure. I'm still confused in grammar, and my words is not coming. I'm not able to think in English. Lots of hurdles are there. You able to see how it's going, but yeah, one day we will achieve it also. I am very what I am going to say. Yeah, maybe one day I am very good communicator, or in my communication skills maybe increase like that. But let's see. Hopes for that day will come, and yeah, you are able to see this blue card. I wrote there what I want after job, because I'm thinking so much. What if I don't get a job? What if I don't get a job? And this feeling demotivates me. Okay, so I write one thing that these things I want to buy after job. So when I see there, it's feel like yeah, I have to get a job, I want that things. It's basic things like a bike, car, tattoo, etc etc things are written there. But yeah, one day if I get a job, I will share with you what I completed or what not. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for seeing me. Thank you for following my journey. If you like it, please share it, subscribe it. Your comments also work as a motivation part for me, because when I see your comments, I get little motivated. I want to learn things, I want to explain to you, I want to speak with you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.